Hi, we're at IBC 2022 and we're talking to Joe from Videndum Media Solutions. Hello, Joe.
Hi.
And you're showing us a pretty big boy here. What is this?
Okay, so we're introducing the new Buccaneer to the market at this show. So the Buccaneer is a new addition to our heavy-duty crank stand family. So if you're familiar with our stands, the Long John Silver and the Long John Silver Junior, this is designed to sit amongst the family and provide a support for users that are loading very heavy-duty lights. So we've got here quite a heavy-duty light, 70 kilos. The maximum payload of this stand is 80 kilos. And it's designed so that users can safely load and operate lights like this without having to stretch or reach or dangerously lift the light from floor level. So you can see it here in loading mode. So it's 94 centimeters loading height. So it's the lowest loading stand of any sort that can operate this type of weight and then go up to 3 meters in max height. So the user can load it in this point here, and then they'll use a combination of the leveling legs to raise up the stand into operational mode. And once they've got it up to our operational mode that you can see here behind us, they can then operate it and lift it up to its maximum height. So it removes that need to stretch and reach up with those heavy-duty lights, preventing injury, preventing potential accidents to the equipment. You've got a couple of accessory mounts on here, just round to the side. So you've got a mounting point here for a remote control, so for a magnetic remote, you can stick that just there, so it's handy and easily reached. You've also got a ballast mounting point on the side here, so you can mount your ballast outside. In terms of the crank system, so it's got a dual-handed crank system, and it's very easy to release using the safety caps here. So it's super quick to wind down.
Why does it actually need a dual system?
It's much easier when
you're very easy to operate with one hand.
So going down is a single-handed requirement, but
I get it.
You can get up super quick. And that takes you up to your 3 meter
Fantastic
height there as well.
Yeah.
So that's it in its operational mode.
What's this, by the way? This component just there.
So this is used when it's folded. So when it's folded, it folds up on itself like this, and you use it to transport the stand when you're moving it onto the truck.
That's very easy for such a heavy rig.
Exactly. So it's 75 kilos. So it's quite similar to the rest of the to the Long John Silver Junior, which is in our family. But yeah, much easier to move. Put it on the truck, and it removes the need to lift that heavy equipment onto the truck manually.
Fantastic. This is already available, or when is it going to be available?
Yeah, so we've introduced it to the market at the show when we opened up a few days ago. It's been very well received by everybody in the industry so far, so feedback on it has been very good. So yeah, it's live, launched, and And
do you have a pricing for this?
So retail is 7,999 Inc. VAT, and that's euros and MAP as well.
Okay. Thank you very much, Joe.
Good to be here. Thank you.